Welcome back to InfyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting question from algebra. Here we have to solve one rational equation 1 plus x square whole square over x times 1 minus x square equal to 4. So let's get started by writing our denominators cannot be 0. So we'll write x cannot be equal to 0 and x cannot be equal to plus minus 1. Now we will cross multiply. So I will multiply denominator with 4 and I can write 1 plus x square whole square. This will be equal to 4 times x times 1 minus x square. Now we will expand LHS. A plus b whole square formula we will use and we will write x power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 in LHS. And in RHS it is 4x minus 4x cube. Now take all the terms to left hand side. We will write x power 4 plus 4x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Now x cannot be equal to 0 for our equation. So we can divide both sides by x square as x cannot be 0. Now we will divide x power 4 over x square is x square, 4x cube over x square is 4x, 2x square over x square is 2, minus 4x over x square is minus 4 over x, and then 1 over x square is same 1 over x square. RHS will be equal to 0. Now we will consider first and last term altogether, second and second last term altogether. Then we have plus 2. RHS is 0. So I can write x square plus 1 over x square plus 4x minus 4 over x plus 2 equal to 0. Now from these two terms I can take 4 common out. So I will write here x square plus 1 over x square, and then I will write here 4 common out. So in the bracket I am getting x minus 1 over x. Then we have plus 2. RHS is 0. Now here we have x minus 1 over x. So I will try to maintain x minus 1 over x whole square here. So I need minus 2. So I have to add 2 here. Now from these three terms I can write this is x minus 1 over x whole square. Then we have plus 4 times x minus 1 over x. Then we have 2 plus 2, 4. Right hand side is 0. Now we will assume, let's say x minus 1 over x. This is equal to y. So I can write our equation in variable y. Y square plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. And this is perfect square of y plus 2 equal to 0. So from this equation I can easily write y will be equal to minus 2 with multiplicity 2 or minus 2 comma minus 2. Now y is minus 2 and y is x minus 1 over x. So we will equate both. We will write x minus 1 over x equal to minus 2. Now x cannot be 0. So we can multiply both sides by x. Let us multiply. x times x minus 1 over x equal to minus 2x. We'll write x square, x times minus 1 over x minus 1 equal to minus 2x. Now we will take all the terms to LHS. We will write x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation. We will use quadratic formula. So if I will write here x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac over 2 times a. As per our equation, if I will write the value of ABC, A is 1, B is 2 and C is negative 1. Let's apply these values to our formula. We will get, let me write here, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to minus 1. So we will write x equal to minus b, so minus 2 plus minus square root of b square, so 2 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 over 2 times 1. This will come out minus 2 plus minus square root of, we'll write 4, then we'll write plus 4 over 2 times 1 is 2, or I can write minus 2 plus minus square root 8 over 2. Now we know that square root 8 is 2 root 2. So I can write minus 2 plus minus 2 root 2 over 2. This is equal to x. Now we will take 2 common from the numerator. So in the bracket we can write minus 1 plus minus root 2 and denominator is also 2. So this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. We will get x equal to negative 1 plus minus square root 2. So we have two real solutions. If I will write here, so I will write x equal to or x1 equal to minus 1 plus root 2 and we will write x2 equal to minus 1 minus root with multiplicity 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.